I'm Jay King. This is the J Luxe Installations channel, and today we're going to install the brand new 98-inch Sony X90L. Sony has been absolutely on fire this year with their 2023 TV lineup, and this massive 98-inch X90L is no exception. With its full array LED backlight system, Google Smart TV platform, and the best image processor in the business, laser projectors, even at twice the price, just can't compete. What that means for the user is you can watch the football game, you can watch Netflix in the middle of the day with the lights on and still get a fantastic image. So unlike that old dusty projector that you have in the basement, there's no blackout blinds necessary here. Sony really helped us out by shipping this huge TV direct to our customer's garage, but we still need to get this massive carton outside, down the stairs, and into the back room so that we can mount it into the media room. Lucky for me and my back, I have two of my most trusted technicians with me to help me get this TV where it needs to go. This isn't the only great piece of tech in this house, so why don't we stop and take a quick tour and enjoy the view while our installers stretch out and get ready for the fun part. Alright, now that everybody's nice and loose, it's time to get this TV downstairs. We all know that the big screen is really only half of the movie experience. So to add to this beautiful TV, we've also included a wonderful sounding 5.1 surround system built by Totem Acoustic. This simple wall-mounted soundbar provides you with your left, center, and right channels. And we've also installed speakers in the ceiling and a subwoofer with dual 8-inch drivers to give you a little extra oomph to your movies. There we have it, the brand new 98-inch Sony X90L in the flesh. I have to say, seeing this in person, in a real house, in a media room, to be able to kick back on this couch and be able to witness incredible HDR pop, insane contrast and brightness, something that projectors can't even come close to, it really is jaw-dropping. I've seen this unit in our showroom dozens of times, and it's pretty impressive, but when you get this thing in the home, I promise you've never seen anything like it. So unless you're going for a truly massive screen, 120 inches or larger, I have to say, this is absolutely the way to go. You can still get that great cinematic effect at night, but when you do want to watch during the day, you don't have to worry about the light in the room. You can just kick back and enjoy a great screen. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning into the J Luxe Installations channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.